Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be discussing the installation of a integrated development environment, otherwise known as an IDE. And you can see here in previous videos we've created a very simple program. We used Notepad just to edit and make this very simple Java program. Now, that's fine to do, but there's a lot of things that could go wrong when using just a text editor. So we'll go into our browser and we're going to download the Java IDE known as Netbeans. So just type in there Netbeans. You'll see here, welcome to Netbeans. We'll click on that link. When we get there, you'll see this download button. We'll just click on that. Now we're at the Apache Netbeans 10 page, and just download the newest version of Netbeans Apache 10, or your newest version. What we're looking here for is the binaries in incubating netbeans.zip. We'll just click here, and you'll have a suggested download mirror for you to click. Now if you just click that, it will start our downloads, and we can save it to our downloads folder. I'd just like to show you other IDEs while we're waiting here. A couple really notable ones that we can use as well that are very helpful and very popular. One is Eclipse. Eclipse is a powerful IDE as well. It's the same as Netbeans when it comes to functionality. There might be a little bit of differences, and some people prefer Eclipse over Netbeans. If you choose, you could download this file. That would just be fine. You can work in the same ways you would through Netbeans. And other things we got are like text editors such as Notepad++. I'll show you here. And Sublime Text, if you see at the bottom, these are text editors like your Notepad. They're a little bit harder to use than your typical IDE. And Java IDEs typically are your Netbeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ. As you can see here, there's quite a few integrated development environments that you can choose from. Not all of them are going to support Netbeans. Some will support more or different languages when it comes down to it. Netbeans has some built-in languages it uses, but you have like C++, you have your Microsoft Visual C++, you have Visual Studios, and they have different languages available to them. None are better than the others. It's just depending on the job we're looking to do. So look here, our file's now done downloading. So let's get this installed. Just close this down. We'll navigate over to our downloads folder. Here in our downloads folder, we have our netbeans.zip. We'll click there. We have to extract the file now. So we'll just click the extract button. And you can click the extract all. There's this little down arrow. We'll click here, choose location. We're going to put in our C drive and our program files. Click copy. We'll just wait for this we'll click continue, and we'll wait for this to copy to our program files folder. And now picking an IDE is only up to you. Depends on your preference, what job you're looking to get done. If you don't prefer Netbeans and you'd rather use Eclipse, by all means do it. If you're not very comfortable in your programming ability, it would be better to use a fully built IDE rather than using a text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++. Those programs are fine to program in. They tend to leave it to the developer to know more or have a better understanding of the programming language. Most times when using like Notepad++ or Sublime Text, then you would be referring back to the command line a lot to compile and run your files. And when using an IDE, there's just a lot of built-in tools and a lot of time-saving techniques that are available to you. So it's preferred to use the IDE over a text editor. Neither is wrong, just preference again. It's kind of your Xbox versus PlayStation debate. So here we're almost done. We'll have this file downloaded, or sorry, unzipped or extracted. Okay, now this is done. This will go away. And we'll just navigate our way to the C drive program files folder. And in here we'll have the newly created Netbeans folder right here. We'll just click that. And inside the bin of the Netbeans folder, you'll click here and you'll see your shortcuts. Now Netbeans normal with the 32-bit, I'm pretty sure it just runs that. 64-bit here. We'll click it to the, we'll send to, and we'll create a desktop shortcut. There, it's on your desktop now. You can also pin it to your taskbar or pin it to your start menu. And obviously you click the, one of these and you're going to pin to start, and I'll show you here. It's now easily accessible in your start menu. So we'll just close this. We'll double click on our Netbeans icon and we'll bring up our newly installed IDE. That's it for this video. In the next video we'll start talking about just getting your Netbeans set up and creating a file in Netbeans. Make sure it works properly. Just like to thank you for watching the video. If you like what you've seen in the video, be sure to comment and like the video. If you have any comments or questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section below, or any ideas for future videos that you would like to see. Just leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.